to my YouTube channel. A very happy new year 2025 to you all. I'm Apeksha, an early years educator and mom to my wonderful 6-year-old. On this channel, I'll be sharing all things related to Montessori and EYFS education, our homeschooling journey, fun and engaging activities you can do at home with your kids, creative homeschooling ideas, DIY Montessori projects, and tips on how to bring Montessori into your everyday home life. If you're a parent or educator or just curious about early childhood education, this is the place for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I'll be uploading a brand new video every week. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram page at PlayLearnRise for more daily updates, tips and inspiration on Montessori and early childhood education. I'm so excited to share this journey with you. Let's make learning fun and meaningful for our little ones together. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.